In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to purchase Klarna stock. So let's get started. If you want to buy Klarna stock, you can now because Klarna went public, and that means it completed an IPO, or also known as initial public offering, which is when a private company offers its shares for sale to the general public for the first time. On September 10th, 2025, Klarna listed its shares on the New York Stock Exchange, one of the biggest stock markets in the world. And you can buy these shares through your brokerage or trading app just like any other stock. The stock trades under the ticket symbol KLAR, KLAR, which is a short code used to identify the stock on exchanges. When a company goes public through an IPO, it sets an initial price for its shares. For Klarna, this was $40 per share at the IPO. After its first day of trading, the share price moved higher, showing how the market, meaning all the buyers and sellers, value the company once it starts trading publicly. Now, to buy Klar, also the Klarna stock, name, you open an account with a stockbroker or a trading platform like perhaps Trade Republic, eToro, Robinhood, or Interactive Brokers, or perhaps Public. Also, it has a website, public.com. You can just go ahead onto public.com, search for Klarna or its stock name, Klar, and now you can just go ahead and buy how many shares you want to buy and place the order. When you place an order, that means you're telling your broker you want to buy a certain amount of the stocks at a certain price. And once it fills, you own a piece of the company. Owning a share of the company means you legally own part of that business and can benefit if the stock price goes up or lose money if the price goes down. So you can just order the amount, let's say 1,000, and that means you're buying about 5.23286 shares. That wasn't 1,000, no, was it? Okay, right. So you're buying 52.3286 shares, and also obviously you'll have to sign up to buy. And you can also see the statistics of the Klarna shares. Like for the past year, it was high previously, but it has been going down slowly, continuously. So that's up to you. If you think it's a good choice to buy shares, perhaps it'll go up in the future, but well, that's a choice for investors to make. So anyways, that's how you purchase Klarna stock. I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.